The periodic table, a chart that shows all the known elements arranged by their properties. In 1869, a scientist named Dmitri Mendeleev made the first version of the periodic table. He arranged elements by their mass and noticed patterns, but he left blank spaces. Later, other scientists found and added elements in the blanks and improved the table into the one we use today. There are over 100 elements in the periodic table. Every element is made of atoms, and every atom is made of protons, positive charge, neutrons, neutral charge, and electrons, negative charge. Electrons in the outside layer of the atom are called valence electrons. The number of protons in the middle of the atom is called the atomic number, and that number decides what the element is. For example, 1 proton is hydrogen, and 6 protons is carbon. The periodic table is made of 7 main rows that go side to side called periods, and 18 columns that go up and down called groups. And as you move across, the elements slowly change. When you move left to right across a row or periods, atomic radius decreases, ionization energy increases, metal reactivity decreases, non-metal reactivity increases, covalent radius decreases, electronegativity increases. When you move up to down a column or group, atomic radius increases, ionization energy decreases, metals reactivity increases, non-metals reactivity decreases, electronegativity decreases, covalent radius increases. There are also 4 blocks that show where the electrons are found in the atom called S block, Group 1 alkali metals, and Group 2 alkaline earth metals, D block, Group 3 to Group 12 transition metals, P block, Group 13 to Group 18 metals, metalloids, nonmetals, and noble gases, and F block, lanthanoids and actinoids, 2 special rows located at the bottom so the table doesn't get too wide. Each little box on the periodic table shows the atomic number, the chemical symbol, 1 or 2 letters for its name, like H for hydrogen or Au for gold, the atomic mass or weight, how heavy the atom is. Some elements have more than one type of atom. These are called isotopes. They have the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons, so some are heavier. The periodic table does not include the isotopes. Some elements are safe and found almost everywhere, and some are radioactive and dangerous. There are even artificial elements that scientists make in laboratories by smashing atoms together. The periodic table is not just a list, it is a map with patterns that help show how elements are connected, how elements behave, combine, their bonds, and what kinds of materials they can make. The IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, takes care of the official periodic table and decide which name, numbers, weights to use, and when to add them. Even though the periodic table looks finished, it's still being improved by discovering new elements or measuring new isotopes. IUPAC and the USGS check and update the numbers so everything stays correct. The periodic table is one of the most amazing ideas in science. It shows that everything from the air to a star in space is made from tiny building blocks. If you want to understand the periodic table more, visit real science sites like iupac.org or acs.org.